Hello and welcome back. Today I have an easy story for you at an A1 level. It is about Anna and her little garden. Don't worry about every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the story. Let's begin. Anna has a new home on Maple Street. Behind her home, there is a small garden, but the garden is empty. There are no flowers. There is only brown earth. Anna looks at the garden. I want flowers, she says. I want a beautiful garden. But Anna does not know about gardens. She is a little sad. Her neighbour is an old man. His name is Grandpa Joe. Grandpa Joe loves his garden. He has many flowers, red, yellow, and pink. Hello, Anna, says Grandpa Joe. Why are you sad? I want a garden, says Anna, but I don't know how. Grandpa Joe smiles. I can help you, he says. It is easy. Grandpa Joe brings some small plants and some seeds. First, we plant, he says. Anna makes a small hole in the earth. She puts a little plant in the hole, then she covers it with earth. She plants 1, 2, 3, many little plants. Good, says Grandpa Joe. Now we water. He gives Anna a can of water. Anna gives water to every plant. Now the plants have water, says Grandpa Joe. Now they can grow. How long? Asks Anna. Be patient, says Grandpa Joe. Every day you water the garden, and every day the plants grow a little. Every morning Anna waters her garden. She waits. At first, nothing happens. The garden is still brown, but Anna does not stop. Every day she gives the plants water. Then, one morning, Anna sees something, a tiny green leaf, and then another, and another. Grandpa Joe, calls Anna. Come and see. Grandpa Joe comes. He looks at the little green leaves. Wonderful, he says. Your plants are growing. Soon you will have flowers. Anna is very happy. Weeks go by. The plants grow bigger and bigger. And then the first flower, a beautiful red flower. Anna looks at it and smiles. Look how it grows, she says. Soon Anna's garden is full of flowers, red, yellow, and pink. It is beautiful. Anna sits in her garden with Grandpa Joe. They sit in the sun and look at the flowers. Thank you, Grandpa Joe, says Anna. Now I have a beautiful garden. You did it, says Grandpa Joe. You planted the flowers. You gave them water. You waited. And now look how they grow. Anna smiles. She loves her little garden. Let's review some words from the story. A garden, a place where flowers and plants grow. Anna has a small garden behind her home, a flower, the beautiful, colourful part of a plant. Anna's garden has red and yellow flowers. To plant, to put a seed or a small plant into the earth, Anna planted many little plants. To water, to give water to plants. Every day, Anna waters her garden, and to grow, to get bigger, slowly, over time. The plants grow a little every day. Finally, a useful sentence. Look how it grows. We say this when a plant or a child gets bigger. Anna looked at her flower and said, Look how it grows. That's our story for today. Did you understand it? If you did, well done. Your English is growing too. Watch it again tomorrow, and it will be even easier. See you in the next story. Take care.